In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson L455 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser. Into Google, you want to search for Epson L455 support. Best result, you come back with an Epson domain. This is Epson L455. Go ahead and open that up. And now scrolling down underneath downloads, click the drop down and select your version of Windows or Mac OS and then select go. And then select the driver and utilities combo package. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's on your device, go ahead and open up that file. If you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes. And then proceed with the on-screen wizard here of getting your device properly configured, and you will be able to use your Epson L455 printer. You have to select OK to continue. Select different features and updates you may want to enable or disable, as well as selecting connectivity preferences such as wired or wireless connection. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.